Hello all, in this video we are going to create a new project in STM32CubeIDE. Open the STM32CubeIDE application. Select the workspace where the project should be saved. I am saving the project using STM screen in desktop and click launch. The STM32CubeIDE window opens up. From the file, select New and click STM32 project. The target selection window opens up. Here you can see the commercial part number. Here you have to enter the name of the controller you are using. Here I am using STM32F405 RGT6 controller. On the right side also the MCU similar to your controller is displayed. You should select the particular controller you are using and click next. I am giving the project name as LED. Since I am using C language, I am selecting the targeted language as C and the targeted binary type as executable. If I want to generate code using bare metal coding, that is without using any all libraries and APIs, I will select the targeted project type as empty. But in this project, I am using all libraries and APIs, so I am selecting the STM32Cube as targeted project type. Then click Finish. The permission asking for opening a perspective window pops up. Click Yes. In this project, we will set and reset an LED with a certain time delay. That is, the LED will be on for a particular time and it will be off after giving a delay. From the system code, under the sys, select the debug mode as serial wire, and from the RCC, select both the high-speed clock and low-speed clock as crystal ceramic resonator. On the right side, you can see the pinout view of the STM32F405 RGT6 microcontroller. Here, I am enabling PC6 as GPIO output for connecting the LED. We can also label the ports by right-clicking it, enter user label. I am naming this pin as LED1. Now PC6, that is pin number 37, is labeled as LED1. You can also change the clock configuration according to your project requirements. Now save your project. The permission asking for generating the code window pops up. Click Yes. On your left side, you can see your project title and the source file contains the header files and i.ioc file here. If you want to change any changes in your input output configurations, you can go for the led.ioc file, make your changes and then save the file again. It will ask for permission for generating code. This is under the main.c. This is the generated file. Whatever the code you have to write, you should write between the user code begin and user code end. Uh, if we mention between user code begin and end only, if we do any changes in the IOC file between the program, the program will not be erased. Or else if we didn't mention it between the begin and end, while once you go to the .ioc file and come back, the code will be erased. Here we have to toggle an LED. This is the LED pin we have configured. I'm writing my code under the while loop. I will use some delay. For a particular time, I will set my LED, and after giving some delay, I will reset my LED. Now save the program. The hammer block is for building the project. Now build the program. In the below, you can see that the program is built with 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now you can connect your board to the PC and you can debug the program using this debug option, and you can see the output in the hardware. Thank you.